Now we move on to example problems. Example 4.5, which is in page number 163. Find the length of a chord which is at a distance of 2 root 11 centimeter from the center of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. So this is the respective figure. Solution, let AB be the chord. So here AB is the chord of the circle and C be the midpoint of AB. So C into point is the midpoint. Then O is nothing but the center of the circle. Therefore, OC is perpendicular to AB. OC AB ku perpendicular irukku. Then join OA and OC. If you join OA and OC, you get a right angled triangle which is right angled at C. So here we can see OA is the radius. So given OC is equal to 2 root 11 centimeter and OA is equal to 12 centimeter. In a right angled triangle OAC, using Pythagoras theorem, we get AC square is equal to OA square minus OC square, which is equal to 12 square minus 2 root 11 the whole square, which is equal to 144 minus 44, which is equal to 100 centimeter. So AC square is equal to 100 centimeter, AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, length of the chord AB is equal to 2 times of AC, which is equal to 2 into 10 centimeter, which is equal to 20 centimeter. So first of all, you have to know about Pythagoras theorem. One of the most important and well-known results in geometry is Pythagoras theorem. In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, here we can see the hypotenuse is BC. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. These are the other two sides. So in a right angle triangle ABC, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Example 4.6, which is in page number 163. In the concentric circle, chord AB of the outer circle cuts the inner circle at C and D as shown in the diagram. Prove that AB minus CD is equal to 2 times of AC. So in this, AB is the chord of the outer circle which cuts the inner circle at C and D as shown in the figure. So O is the midpoint of the circle. You have to prove that AB minus CD is equal to 2 times of AC. Solution, given chord AB of the outer circle cuts the inner circle at C and D. To prove AB minus CD is equal to 2 times of AC. Then construction, draw OM is perpendicular to AB. Prove since OM is perpendicular to AB by construction. Also OM is perpendicular to CD. Therefore AM is equal to MB, which is your equation number 1. So perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisect. Then CM is equal to MD, which is equation number 2. So AB minus CD is equal to 2 times of AM minus 2 times of CM, which is equal to 2 times of AM minus CM from equation 1 and 2. Therefore, AB minus CD is equal to 2 times of AC. Hence, we proved the given problem. Example 4.7, which is in page number 167. Find the value of x degree in the following figures. So this is the respective figures. You have to find the value of x degrees in each figure. So let us see one by one. So solution, using the theorem, the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So first இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்க circle 3 point இருக்கு PQR அத line join பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Then O is the center of the circle, so P to O and O to R is the radius of the circle. So by using the theorem, angle POR is equal to 2 times of angle PQR. அப்போ x degree, இதுதான் நம்மளோட x degree. So x degree is equal to 2 into 50 degree, which is nothing but 100 degree. Then second subdivision, this is the given figure. O is the center of the circle. So L, M, N are the 3 points on the circumference of the circle. You have to find the x degree. So இப்போ இந்த angle நம்மளுக்கு 260 அப்படினா இது reflex angle. So angle MNL. So angle MNL is equal to half of reflex of MOL, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 260 degrees. Therefore, x degree is equal to 130 degree. Then third subdivision, xy is the diameter. Here we can see this is the diameter of the circle and O is the center of the circle. Therefore, xzy is 90 degree. So xzy is a 90 degree. So angles on a semicircle in a triangle xy is at x degree plus 63 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, because sum of the angles in a triangle, ஒரு triangle அதோட angle sum பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree வரணும். ஸோ இந்த கான்செப்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்மளுக்கு xோட டிகிரி 27 அப்படின்றத ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுறோம். Then fourth subdivision, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is the radius. So here O is the center of the circle. So OA, OB and OC is the radius. So in a triangle OAC. So we are taking this triangle, first one OAC. Angle OAC is equal to angle OCA is equal to 20 degree. So angle A angle C on 20 degree. In triangle OPC, OBC is equal to OCB is equal to 35 degree, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle ACB is equal to angle OCA plus angle OCB. So இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So x degree is equal to 20 plus 35. So x degree is equal to 55. Example 4.8. The problem belongs to page number 168. If O is the center of the circle and angle ABC is equal to 30 degree, then find angle AOC. So you can see this figure. O is the center of the circle. Given ABC is equal to 30 degree. So ABC is angle 30 degree. Then AOC is equal to 2 times of angle ABC, because the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle at any point on the circle. So which is equal to 2 into 30 degree is 60 degree. Example 4.9. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. If the measure of angle OQR is 48 degree, then what is the measure of angle P? So given OQR is equal to 48 degree. So OQR is 48 degree is given. Therefore ORQ is also 48 degree, because angles in the same segment of a circle. So angle QOR is equal to 180 degree minus 2 into 48 degree, which is equal to 84 degree. The central angle made by a chord QR is twice the inscribed angle at P. So the measure of angle QPR is equal to 1 by 2 into 84 degree, which is equal to 42 degree.